Dino, you're the best. We'll play all day. Huh? Where did Dino go? Dino, gone. Anomaly detected. Emotional distress signal at maximum. This is not a drill. Engage operation. Dino rescue. You'll help me, Boss Baby?
The trajectory indicates an aerial extraction. Prepare for pursuit.
We need a plan, Boss Baby.
Standard issue for vertical ascension. Next, locate transportation.
My super truck. Perfect.
Buckle up, Agent Templeton. Destination, unknown. Speed, maximum.
Hold on, Boss Baby. This ride gets bumpy.
Affirmative. Maintaining situational awareness.
I don't see anything. Where did they go?
Target detected. Moving towards the park. Elevation, low.
Freedom! Here we go!
Full speed ahead, Agent Templeton. Maintain pursuit.
I see them. A robotic drone. High-speed maneuverability.
Wow! It's so fast! We're gaining on them! Drone, prepare for interception. Deploy countermeasures.
Oh no! It missed! Tactical evasion. Unacceptable. Watch out! I got this. The drone is seeking higher ground. Initiate climb.
That's a really tall tree.
Secured. Follow my lead. Okay, here I go. Almost there, so high. Laughter signatures detected. Weak, but present. It's getting darker. I don't like this. Access point. Proceed with caution. Dino! My poor Dino! Leave him alone!
Stand down, Agent Templeton. This is a level 3 threat. Data suggests a power source within his stick. Target the energy.
The stick! There's a button. Hey, look over here! Chitter, chitter! Swish!
Stick acquired. Threat neutralized.
Squeak!
Roar!
Please, kind clown. The house needs its door.
Unauthorized toy abduction is a serious offense.
Mew!
Apology accepted. Lesson learned.
What an adventure! You saved Dino, Boss Baby!
Standard procedure. All in a day's work.
Dino's back! Dino's back! Dino's back! Boss Baby saved him!
Oh, my brave adventurers.
Mission accomplished, ma'am. Best show ever, Dino.
Optimal emotional output achieved.
We're the best team! Affirmative, Agent Templeton.
Good night, old friend.
I can't stop thinking about it. That squirrel, was he alone?
Energy signature spikes detected, not isolated.
Beep, beep, beep.
Re-engage Operation Dino Rescue. Expanded parameters.
You found something, didn't you?
Affirmative. Gear up, Agent Templeton. Quietly. Don't wake Mom and Dad. Energy source is converging towards the old shed.
The old shed? It's always so spooky.
Just a shed. Just a shed.
Perimeter scan. Look for weaknesses.
It's stuck. Standard issue. Pry tool.
tight fit.
Energy signature strong. Proceed with extreme caution. What is that?
Multiple targets detected. Prepare for engagement.
Stay back! B-Z-T!
There are so many!
Whoosh! Clink! Take that!
Whew, it's over.
Threat neutralized. Mission objective achieved. We did it!
External control chip, not a natural intelligence.
A rival corporation. This goes deeper. What now, boss baby?
Phase 2. Investigate the source. But first, debrief.
I'm so tired. But we saved Dino.
The kidnapped toy was a diversion. The true target is yet unknown.
What does that mean? It means the competition is escalating. They want control of childhood joy. We can't let them. Childhood joy is important.
Agreed. Alliance confirmed. Agent Templeton.
Their main facility, located beneath the old playground.
Under the playground? That's where we play. It's so dark in here.
Maintain silence. We are deep behind enemy lines.
Whoa, so many!
The mastermind. Retrieve the source.
Stay low. Assess the threats. Look, a big red button.
That's the master override. Disables all robotic units. I have an idea.
Almost there.
We did it! They're off!
Operation Joy Restoration is a success.
Best mission ever!
Agreed, Agent Templeton. Agreed.
Whee!
The world is full of fun again.
Mission complete!